Hello everyone. In this video we'll be solving a matrix set from IFT 2018. Okay. Matrix sets are very common in CAT. Sometimes they are even asked in non-CAT exams as well, like IFT and ZAT. So a thorough practice of such sets is very important. Many of you requested to include more sets on matrix. So we have a set here. Let's go ahead and try to solve it. So the question is, an agent has to send a secret message to CBI office in Delhi. He needs to compile his message using following 12 code words: scare, logical, mouse, beauty, helping, roses, cat, cats, doctor, arguments, then crude, ferry and mineral. So these are the 12 words. The agent compiles a coded message and delivers it to CBI office in form of a 4x3 matrix. Okay, so he'll arrange all these words in a matrix. Each coded word has been allocated a position in the matrix. So in every position we have one word in the matrix. So 1x2 position represents row 1 and column 2. Okay, the clues to compile the secret message are, so we have been given some clues using which we'll be putting these words into the matrix. So the first clue is the words in 2x1 and 3x1 have the same number of letters. Next one is roses is to immediate left of beauty and mineral is immediately above roses. So these are regarding the position of the words. If we come to the questions, the product of the position of a coded word is 8. Identify the word. So for that we need to find out all the words in the matrix. Second one is the sum of letters of which row is 19. Again for this we need to find out all the words in the rows. Next one is which word is represented in 4x3. For this also we need all the words in the matrix. Fourth one is which of the following are placed diagonally in the matrix. Again for this we need the whole matrix. Okay, so we'll go to the next slide. We'll draw 4x3 matrix and then using these clues we'll put every word into the matrix and then we'll answer the questions. So we have drawn a 4x3 matrix over here. 4x3, that means 4 rows 3 columns, so I have drawn it. We'll come to the clues directly. We were given that the words in 2x1 and 3x1 have the same number of letters. So 2x1, that means this particular position, 3x1 is this particular position. 2x1, that means second row first column, 3x1 third row first column. So these are the two positions. In these two positions I have words having same number of letters. Okay, so let me write down same over here, through which I'll come to know that number of letters are same here. Next one is roses is to the immediate left of beauty and mineral is immediately above roses. So I need to write it over here. I'll have roses to the immediate left of beauty. Okay, so I have beauty, to its immediate left I will have roses, and immediately above roses I will have minerals. Then next is the word in 4x3 is shorter than the word in 1x2. So 1x2 is this. It is a bigger word than 4x3. 4x3 is the last. So I'll write big over here. That means a word having large number of letters. I will write small over here. Big, small basically represent the number of digits, number of letters in these words. Okay. Next one is ferry is separated from helping horizontally by one word, logical. So this is also a very good clue. The clue is ferry and helping, these are separated by one word which is logical. Okay, but now we have not been told whether ferry is to the left or right. So position of these two, ferry and helping, they are interchangeable. Okay, position of these can be reversed, but one thing that we know for sure from this is logical will always be in the middle column. Okay, so that is how you have to keep comprehending each clue. You can write it down in the table in your own words so that you do not need to go through the clues again and again. Next one is arguments is at position 2x3 in the matrix and the word immediately below it has odd number of letters. So 2x3, that means here I have arguments. Okay, so arguments has 9 letters. Okay, so this is a fixed clue. So I have told you in a puzzle we always keep putting the direct clues into the table or any arrangement that we have. So below arguments we have a word in which we have odd number of letters, so I'll write down odd number of letters over here. After that, crude and doctor are in the same horizontal row and crude is to the right of doctor. So we have doctor and to the right of the doctor we have crude. Okay, we do not know whether there's a space between them, but we just know that they are in the same horizontal row and crude will be to the right of the doctor. Next one is cats is not in the same row or column as mouse. So we'll take care of this clue. Okay, cat and mouse, they will not be in the same row and not in the same column. So that's it with the clues. Now how can we start over here? See, we have a complete row given to us, very logical helping. Okay, so this is a complete row given to us. So we are very sure that these words, they will not come in the second row, okay, because we have arguments over there. So this row can come in the first, third or fourth row. Now below arguments we have a word having odd number of letters. So all the words having even number of letters, they cannot come here. So let me write down all the words here and the number of letters in them. So I have written down all the words over here and the number of letters in them. So below arguments we cannot have a word having even number of letters. So we cannot have doctor and beauty over there, okay. So we cannot have doctor here and not beauty over here, okay. In other words, I can say that I can only have words having 5 or 7 letters over here, not 9, because there is only one word having 9 letters, that is arguments, it has been consumed. Then if we come to these positions big and small, we know that this 1 cross 2, it should be greater than the digits in 4 cross 3, okay. So we can have a 7 letter word over here. In that case I will have a 6 letter word over here. I can have a 6 letter word over here and a 5 letter word over here. I can have a 5 letter word here in big and 4 letter word in small. Only that is possible, okay. Then one thing that we can see is these 3 words, minerals, roses and beauty, they are forming a L, okay. They are forming L shape over here, you can see it, okay. Now I cannot have beauty over here, because if I put beauty over here, I will have to put roses to its left. We do not have any space for roses. I cannot put beauty in the first column, okay, because to its left I need roses. So I cannot put beauty over here. Now can I put beauty over here in this particular space? If I put beauty over here, to its left I should have roses. Then in that case I will have minerals over here, okay. If I have minerals over here, that means I have a 7 letter word over here. That means in the position above it, here also I should have a 7 letter word, because here we have words having same number of letters, okay. So 7 letter words that are remaining, because we have used minerals, okay. So remaining are logical and helping, okay. And we can see that logical and helping, they are in this particular row at the bottom over here, very logical helping. So in that case this should be the row in which very logical helping should come, but that is not possible because in the second row we already have arguments. So that means we cannot have beauty at this particular position, okay, in the middle column and the bottom. So we cannot have a 6 letter word over here. We cannot have a 6 letter word over here. So the only possibility that remains is we should have a 5 letter word in both these positions, okay. So I will write 5 letter word over here, 5 letter word over here. Now we cannot have beauty over here. Why? Because then to the left we will have roses, and above roses I should have minerals, but above this position I do not have any space, so beauty cannot be here. Can I have beauty over here in this particular space? If I have beauty here, I should have roses here, and then here I will have minerals. Minerals is a 7 letter word, which is not possible at this position, so beauty cannot be here as well. Can I have beauty at this position? No, because then to the left I should have roses. Above roses I should have minerals, but we do not have any space above it. So I will write that we cannot have beauty over here. So now only 2 spaces are left for beauty. One is over here and one is over here, okay. So if I check by putting beauty over here, then I will have roses over here and minerals over here, right? So in the middle column for logical, because I know that logical will always be in the middle column, I will have only the first row left. So I will write logical over here. So logical has 7 letters, okay. Then I was given that I have to use doctor and crude like this. Doctor, crude should be in the same row and crude will be to the right of the doctor. So crude, doctor, they cannot be put in the first row because these words will be ferry and helping. Okay, can we put doctor here? No, because doctor is a 6-letter word, it cannot come over here. Why? Because if I put doctor over here, the only 6-letter word is beauty, so beauty will have to come over here. Or if I put doctor over here, beauty will come over here, so they will come together in these two spaces, doctor and beauty, which is impossible, so we cannot put doctor in the second row as well. So for doctor, we do not have any space when I assume that beauty will be over here. So that means I will remove beauty from here, and then I will take beauty to this new position now. Okay, I'll remove everything that was related to this particular assumption. So if I have beauty here, I will have roses at this position, I will have minerals here. Now I know that I cannot have helping over here. Why? Because only a 5-letter word can come over here. I cannot have helping over here. Why? Because helping is a 7-letter word. Okay, if this is a 7-letter word, I should have a letter having more than 7 words at this particular position according to this clue. So I'm very clear that for this very logical helping, I can use only 2 rows. Okay, this particular row over here and this particular row over here. So if I use the bottom row first, I will have to put helping over here, I will have to put logical over here, I will have to put ferry over here. Okay, then I have this doctor and crude pair left, so it can come in these 2 spaces or in these 2 spaces. Okay, if doctor crude comes in these 2 spaces, I will have to include cat and mouse. They cannot be in the same row or column, so I will have to include cat and mouse in this particular row, so they will be in the same row, which is impossible. If I take doctor and crude in this particular row over here, so I will have to put doctor over here and crude over here, right? So crude is a 5-letter word. I need at least a 6-letter or 7-letter word over here, which is not available right now. So even here we cannot put doctor and crude. Okay, so our assumption that we assumed initially, helping logical ferry will be over here, that is wrong. Only 1 row remains for helping logical ferry, it is this row now. So I will be putting logical in the middle. Now I cannot have helping over here, so I'll write ferry over here and helping over here. Now I need to put this doctor crude pair, so can we have it over here, doctor at this place and crude at this place? In that I will not be able to put cat and mouse in the separate rows because they will have to be put over here, so we cannot have doctor crude over here. So doctor crude will definitely be in the last row. Now can I put doctor over here and crude over here? If I put crude over here, it is a 5-letter word, that means I should have a greater than 5-letter word at this particular position. Okay, here, but we do not have any word available which has 6 or 7 letters, because 6-letter words beauty, doctor are consumed, all the 7-letter words have been consumed, so doctor crude cannot be put over here. Instead doctor will be put over here and crude will be put over here. Okay, so in other words, it means that I can only have a 4-letter word over here, which is cats, right? Now only 2 words are left, which are mouse and what is left, scare is left. Okay, so mouse cannot be in this column, mouse will be over here and scare will be over here. Our arrangement is complete. So actually this is a very lengthy question. We saw that there were many cases involved. Let's try to answer the questions. So the first question is, product of position of a coded word is 8, identify the word. So product of a position is 8. Okay, so that position can only be 4 cross 2 because we do not have 2 cross 4. So 4 cross 2, it is this position crude over here. Okay, so we have the word crude there. Next is the sum of letters of which row is 19. So 1 2 3 4. Let us go back. In row 1, sum of words is 7 here, 5 12, 12 5 17. In the second row, roses plus beauty plus argument, which is 9 plus 6 15, 15 5 20. Third row is very logical, which is 5 plus 7, that means 12, 12 and helping is 7, 19. So row 3, option C will be the correct answer. Next one is, which word is represented in 4 cross 3? 4 cross 3, that means this, it is cats. So option C is the correct answer. Last is, which of the following are placed diagonally in the matrix? So ferry, mineral, No, fairy and mineral, they are in the same column. Then mineral mouse, so mineral and mouse, they are in the same row. Beauty scare, so beauty scare, we can see that they are diagonally. Okay, last option is argument roses. Argument and roses, they are in the same row, so beauty scare will be the correct answer, option C over here. So this is a very good set on matrix, but a lot of cases need to be checked, so you should not waste more than 8-9 minutes on this set. If you don't get the answer, you can skip the set. I hope the explanation was understood. If you have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.